Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, we are talking about accounting. Alright, so we are seeing what is accounting. Accounting can be defined as the process of identifying, measuring, and communicating economic information to permit informed judgments and decisions by users of the information. So as you can see, it's a process. Okay, it's not just one thing. It's process which includes three things: identify, measure, and communicate. You are not only making the financial position of your company, but you are also communicating it with the people who are going to judge your performance and make decisions accordingly. All right? There is one more thing that I want to talk about, that a lot of people assume that math and accounting go hand in hand. Now, that's not true. You see, there are only four things of mathematics which are repeatedly used in accounting. Those are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Other than that, these two are two different things, different concepts, different methodologies, and different processes. Alright, so if someone is good in maths, he may not be good at accounting. If someone is good at accounting, he may not be good at maths. Sometimes it has been seen that the people who are good at maths are more likely, you see, likely to be good at accounting. Alright, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Do subscribe and share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.